Yeah, hi Alan, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. I think I've probably got a date wrong now. I think it's 20. No, it's not 22nd today. It can't be. No, it's Sunday anyway. I've done it on a Sunday for you to make sure you get it before Christmas. So yeah, so it's all working. It's been on test now for about 5 or 6 hours, running continuously. I'm finding zero faults on it. I've replaced the laser, given it a good clean for you. Yeah, I mean, in all honesty, it's hardly had any use, as you already pointed out. But the lasers that they use these other lasers in these 3200s. I don't even know where they come from, to be honest with you, because I don't actually think Philips make them. I don't know. I might be wrong. But anyway, yeah, it's all working. So, yeah, as soon as I get payment, I'll get it out for you. Appreciate that. Thank you very much and have a great day. Cheers, Alan.